What's up everybody, Wellsy back here with another video just for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing some spring cleaning on my car. I'm going to focus more on the interior than the exterior just because it is so springtime, living in the Midwest. It's supposed to be cold and rainy tomorrow, so this car, I'm actually sitting at the car wash right now, just kind of waiting here. Got two other cars in front of me, so this kind of stinks, but no better time to film an intro than when you're waiting. So I'm just gonna kind of walk you guys through what I do. It's nothing too fancy, just carpet, clean out the floor mats, wipe down all the stuff that I touch throughout the winter, and just try to get it clean, you know. Start off fresh, happy car, happy me, and hopefully spring's nice and good. Here we are in the car wash. Ooh! The person in front of me couldn't figure out how to like get the thing going, so she just sat here for 5 minutes and then just drove right through it. I guess I should have helped her, but you know, with the times being, I guess I didn't want to get too close to her, so she just went through, left. I hit like 4 buttons, put my money in, and it started, so I have no idea what her problem was, but kind of thought that was pretty funny. So getting the car wash, gonna fill up some gas, I'm gonna head home and start the interior clean. Alright, so we're back in action. Different outfit, different shades, same day. Got the car right here out in the driveway. It's gonna be fun. The floor mats are all dirty. Back seat is atrocious. And of course, the golf clubs and all that back here. It is dirty, 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 dirty. Got the vacuum cleaner out here. Need to go clean everything else out first, then vacuum it up, wash all the trim pieces here, and then go from there. Alright, so we got the car all cleaned out of all the junk. Time to vacuum it up, go from there. Let's do this.
So in love with you. You got me down again.
Alright, so everything's been vacuumed up, nice and clean in here. Now take the microfiber cloth to the windows. All mine are tinted, so I have to use the microfiber cloth only. Otherwise, if you use like paper towel, it will scratch the tint. Also, if you use like Windex or anything on that too, it can also mess with the film. So just nice little microfiber wipe down. All right, so like I said, inside I got a cloth here with soap, all nice and damp, and then a microfiber. Just gonna kind of give it a nice little wipe down. So again, all this is plastic, it's not leather or anything. So give it a nice little wipe. Use the side that's just got water. A little scrubby scrub. And just wipe it away. So I'm gonna go around and do the rest of the car like this, and then I'll turn the camera back on for you guys later. This is not good. Rain's moving in. Got all my stuff out here still. I was so like focused on making the video, I totally forgot to like actually clean the car. So now I'm like scrambling to clean the car a little bit. The first raindrop, gotta get in. Almost forgot the snow brush. What do you think? Don't the snow brush for deer? Yeah, I'm gonna take the chance. I'm gonna take the chance. Watch, it'll snow next week now. Here we go. Putting it away for the winter, summer. Putting it away for the summer. That storm is getting close. Gotta pack up quick. Just got the car washed in and out. Last thing I want to do is get it all dirty. Except, silly me, I don't have the keys. What an idiot. Hi, stay there. There they are. I swear I'm losing my marbles in quarantine, man. I'm losing it. Gotta stay sharp. All right, take two. Got the keys now. Let's get her inside. Oh, but first, I'll give you a walk around real quick. Walk around. Nice and clean. Clean on the outside. Clean on the inside now. Sparkly. Sparkly. Let's get her started. Oh, can't get copyrighted. Yeah. Go ahead. Pull inside the garage. Hopefully I don't hit my house. Slowly but surely. Bang. Done. Cool. Guys, so inside the back of my car, nice and cleaned up. Looks beautiful, as always. So, I just want to say thank you guys again for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting me. As this quarantine continues to go on, it starts to get nicer, colder. Midwest is weird. It's kind of up and down right now. If you guys have any video ideas, suggestions, anything you want me to do, anything you want me to make, create, drop that in the comments below, because I'd love to start getting more of my subscribers' content or ideas into my videos. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you like what I'm doing, and you want to see more awesome content from me, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one. Wellsy out.